So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can set up a Revolut account in USD. So let's say, for example, that you have a Revolut account in a different currency and you want to be able to use USD. You'll firstly need to open up a USD account, and to do that, you'll just want to click on the profile option at the top here. Then once you've done that, you'll just want to click on account and then account details. And then once you've done that, you'll then be greeted by all the currencies that you can set up an account with. So you just want to scroll down and find USD. And then once you've done that, you'll then be able to see your new USD details. And if you go back to the home page, you'll be able to switch over to your new USD account by going to accounts here and then selecting USD. And then once you've clicked it, from there, you can then go ahead and start using it. And if you would like to move money across from your main currency, you can go ahead and press move. And then if you switch them around, you'll then be able to send yourself dollars from your main currency, plus all the exchange rates. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.